coming to us all the way from South Korea. This is Team BRT, Team E01. A fun fact, they also came to the World Championship last year as well, all the way in Indiana. So now they're two-time coming to the United States. But Team BRT, are you ready for your presentation?
Yes.
Excellent. All right, whenever you guys are ready, you may begin.
Start?
Yes, you may go ahead.
At last, we made it. The stones and leaves the secret box. But wait, where is the secret box? Where did you show up? What is that? Right place, right there.
After we activate this stone, it will show us the way.
And then we'll go and play. Shit! My car all around the world. And finally, we will go to the secret dungeon. Secret dungeon. Full of wonders and the becomes full I can't wait. But how do we activate this stone? According to the codex, it's hard to read, but it says magic words will work. What? Magic words? That's the key? I'll try first. Open sesame!
Abracadabra!
Alomora! Nothing happened. Oh, wait, not words. Wand. A magic wand. Hi, magic wand always works. So we'll find a volunteer to anybody.
So fun fact, students are allowed, great job with your presentation, guys. Students are allowed. All right, ready, Team E01, you may begin your first run whenever you're ready.
3, 2, 1, 4.
Using the magic wand, cause the sign to fall, plane has to drop and crash. Where did it crash? It didn't crash, it was successful plane landing. That needed to flip a switch which caused the boat to drive forward. That then allows the ball to go into the shooter. I'm standing in the absolute worst spot where this ball is going to come hit me.
Uh-oh.
Ball should come fire, hit this side, drops down, ball goes across. Ball back and forth starts a hair dryer. The hair dryer then has to melt something, right? Melting strip goes through, ball drops down into the pulley, water drops into there. Chemical step right there.
Wow.
Allows the car to drive. That pulls a string connected to their back.
No, the stick. The stick.
They flies, and then the umbrella lifts, and they open their box, revealing what was in the box.
Wow! Raiders of the secret box. Nice.
So Team E01, BRT, completed their first run with 2 human interventions. And what went wrong, guys? Jackson, what went wrong?
I think we need to adjust the fan of it, and then maybe use masking tape to stick the box a little bit lower.
Excellent. So for those of you that are unfamiliar with Rube Goldberg, our audience, Rube Goldberg machines are almost always going to fail. And that's all right. Rube Goldberg machines are all about problem solving. The huge element of this contest is, yes, they had 2 issues to begin with, but throughout the day, can they solve their problems? And so with it, you guys think you can solve your problems?
Yes.
All right, finger crossed. Team BRT, we'll be back in a little bit. Thank you guys. Next up, we have Team E02. This is the Quirky Pirates, another team from Korea. With it, are you guys ready for your presentation? You're certainly dressed the part. All right. Whenever you guys are ready, you may begin your presentation.
We launched an air cannon to begin our journey. There may be various perils, but we will overcome them well and continue our exploration. At first, we used the power of water and screws to spread the anchor and raise the sail. Then we officially begin our journey. Let's explore the mysterious island. Oh no, a steering pirate is in our way. Don't be afraid, let's go to the island. First, we send our reconnaissance up first to explore the deserted island. Wow, there are so many dangerous traps here. Nevertheless, we raise our flag. Then let's go find some strange, suspicious, and bitter treasure again today.
Amazing.
Very fun.
All right. Go ahead, you picture it. You guys duck down. Team Quirky Pirates, you may begin your first run whenever you're ready. Yep, go ahead. Use an air gun to knock down the cup, spins the ship wheel. That should cause the car to go, but there's an intervention. An intervention is where you have to touch the contraption. Ball drops down, flips up the switch. Yep. Little lever needed to flip, which causes a syringe to lift up. Ball then drops from place to place. Spinning wheels, ball drop, tether ball effect into the chain fountain effect, which is all right. Ball drops down, then enters the Ferris wheel, xylophone. Our lovely little zip line with the pair coming across. That's going to knock a ball down into a cup, hopefully. That's all right. Lifts up, ball travels back. We're heading to the back half of the game. From there, the sign drops. I don't even need to knock that one. Flip the switch, and then there's a thermal step coming up here in a second. But the boat's got to drop another zip line into the other side of the contraption. Spin wheel, ball drop. Roller skates got to go knock down the seat. We're about to see a surprise come down from the top. And ultimately,
the box opens.
Their box does open in a grand fashion.
What was inside the box?
Team E02, the Quirky Pirates, have completed their first run with 6 human interactions. Absolutely,
Oh, wow.
because the name of the game with Rube Goldberg is a little lower.
The second challenge is Chile and Italy. Skip across the grasslands and get to Italy.
Sprint the place. Watch this cup transform into a car and we roll the giant wheel right.
Last challenge, America, Spain, back to Korea. Here, lift the Statue of Liberty up and lift a ball up. Now back to Korea.
Pull the string and let's raise the Statue of Liberty and send the ball flying with the power of a weapon.
Awesome. Excellent job, guys. You guys ready for your first run?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Whenever you're ready, you may begin. So, using the dice, they throw it over the world. That then causes the world to spin. The world spins around. That has to cause a cement mixture to flip a switch. That's heading to Egypt. Over here, that's causing a little windup that should cause a ball to come out here momentarily. Usually, it's time. Ball then travels around the pyramids. Another ball. Hand dryer where it heats up a water bottle, causing a balloon to inflate. That's going to allow this roller to go down the zip line. The hand dryer expanding the air.
Wow, that's cool.
This one takes a little bit. This is what we call suspense and It's inflating slowly. Now also fun fact, you have 3 minutes to run your machines. So, if it does take 2 minutes, then yep, there it goes. So the bottle just popped a little bit, so it is expanding. It only just needs to go just a smidge for that to You want it? All right, so intervention. Ball drops, that flips, and that pulls the string. Now we're in Italy. So now Pete's going to swing around.
Okay.
All right. Next up, we have Team E04. This is the Myers Mystery Heroes. They are from Rialto, California, the Myers Elementary STEAM Academy. With it, there's quite a lot of you. How many members are on your team? 12. Now, is this part of a class? Is this an after-school program? Or you guys just wanted to do this for fun? Maybe all of the above? Kind of all of the above? Yeah. How long are you guys working on your contraption? Amazing. I love the costumes. I think we're in for a presentation. A good one at that. So whenever you're ready, you may begin your presentation.
Hello, my name is Ediison from Myers Elementary in Rialto. And we are
The Myers Mystery Heroes!
Here is Ziley with her presentation.
A totally normal day. The MMH team is saving cats from trees, helping old ladies cross the street, and Snail Woman conquered 6 whole steps. Legendary. Then, beep, 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 chaos. Villains swept the box of mystery powers and threatened to take over the world. The group jumped into the supermobile, zoomed to the scene. The team worked tirelessly. They crashed into battle, yelled dramatically, and suffered at least one glue gun-related injury. Boom! Victory. World saved. Villains wrecked. Trophy earned. And Snail Woman conquered 7 whole steps.
So this is our Rube Goldberg machine. Looking nice, looking beautiful. Thank you very much. I would like a judge to volunteer.
E05, the Hacky Husky. You guys are veterans at this contest. You guys have continued for what, 3 years now? Second year. Well, I mean, you guys were so good last year that I thought I'd see you for longer. But with it, you are from, I was like to remind myself, Oxford Preparatory Academy here in California. And are you ready for your presentation? Excellent. All right. Whenever you're ready, you may begin.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Seattle Sequence. I work for Seattle Tours, and I'll be your tour guide today as we travel through Seattle. Don't worry, walking is definitely not the plan. Instead, I will Goldberg all the recording because we believe in efficiency and laziness. First, I'll take an airplane, driving high above the clouds because driving has taken approximately forever. Next, we'll take the metro because there's no communication without public transportation and pretending that we know where we're going. Our first stop is going to be Space Needle, where you can see the entire city from 60 stories above, or you can question your life choices. Up to you. Our next stop is going to be Mount Rainier. It is a volcano, but don't worry, the last time I checked, it was pretty calm. To make a better view, we'll take the gondola up the mountain, because hiking sounded like a terrible idea. From there, we'll go to the Seattle Great Wheel. It is a Ferris wheel, but we raised it so it sounds much more expensive. Our next stop is going to be Puget Sound, with the seals, fairies, and whales swimming through the ocean. Maybe even seagulls might try to swim in. And for our final stop, we're going to discover something Seattle very famous for. What it is, you will have to wait and see. Now, to start the Seattle sequence, I'll need one volunteer to help start the machine.
So to begin, the volunteer has to pull the plane back, which then runs into the airport. Whenever you're ready. Alright, and away we go. So one intervention at the start. That's going to drop into the pulley, lifts up. We're now into Mount Rainier, causing the Ferris wheel. Ferris wheel needs to spin around. As it spins, it turns on the fan into the ferry. Ferry knocks over the dominoes. And ultimately, I think just answered my one question. I was looking at Seattle and going, where's the Starbucks? So, amazing job. TD05, you can see your first run with only one human intervention.
Very good.
Pacific Academy in Costa Mesa, California. Costa Mesa, that's not a place. Now, how long have you guys been working on your contraption?
I don't know.
3 weeks? It feels like a long time. For some people it feels like a day, other people it is weeks. And what is the theme of your contraption, brain benders?
Superheroes singing.
You know what?
Superheroes. I don't know.
I might be able to answer my questions by watching the presentation. What do you think?
Yeah.
Probably. All right. With it, Team Brain Benders, you may begin your presentation whenever you're ready.
My name is Logan.
My name is Bob. My name is Sia.
Our story begins with a young fisherman who is trying to catch some fish at the dock, but he can't seem to get any fish. So he finally feels a weight on his fishing rod, so he quickly pulls up, but it turns out that it's just a magnet. But that magnet was wedged underneath a rock, and the rock rolls away, which scares the fish away. A magical fin tries to calm them down.
When the world's largest soccer ball fell, everybody got so scared they farted.
Oh dear.
There were so many frogs and it was so gassy it made the whole stadium explode. When the stadium exploded, it knocked out the New Year's Eve ball. Spider-Man saw the New Year's Eve ball get knocked over, and so he wanted to let Batman know. And so he put 3 bombs into his lair, and then he joined back. Batman and Spider-Man, when they were going to a building, so when the buildings were falling down, there's a ceremony of the biggest button that was activatable, and then when the last building hit the statue, it hit the button and then activated a mighty burst.
Awesome. Thank you guys very much. Fishing pole, you need to pull up, release the magnet inside the box. The magnet release, ball drops. Ball goes across the xylophone into the book dominoes. One intervention where the bag was supposed to inflate with air, causing the pipe to drop. Watch out. Bob took a hit, but so far so good. Ball into the marbles. Marbles drop down. That's going to activate the car launcher into the book domino sequence up front. Should knock over Buzz Lightyear in a second.
What?
Ooh, well,
Doubles?
oh, all right, second intervention. Goes down. And out of the box popped. What was inside your box?
More marbles.
More marbles. And what is that white thing? And Spider-Man?
Yeah.
And Spider-Man was apparently in Gotham City. So with it, Team Brain Benders have completed their first run with 2 interventions. So well done. That's a fair warning, so. Ball goes, hammer hits, ball dropped, and you know what? Did your leprechaun escape? You know what? Said that the contraption wasn't going to work, and guess what? Team E07 has completed their first run with no intervention.